Latest crypto and NFT news. The Metaverse, exploring the evolution and challenges of a digital frontier. In a world where social apps are blurring the boundaries between physical and digital realms, the concept of the Metaverse has become a corporate buzzword. However, understanding its true potential and explaining it to newcomers can be challenging. Let's delve into the origins and evolution of the Metaverse to shed light on this exciting concept. The term Metaverse first gained prominence in Neal Stephenson's 1992 novel, Snow Crash. It envisioned a virtual world where people could interact, transact, and live out their digital lives, blurring the lines between reality and fiction. PlayStation Home, a glimpse into the Metaverse, but fell short in scale and accessibility. PlayStation Home, a social virtual world introduced in 2008 for the PlayStation 3, provided users with a taste of what a Metaverse could offer. Fast forward to the present, and platforms like Roblox and Minecraft are emerging as strong contenders for the future of the Metaverse. Roblox's immersive experiences and user-generated content have captivated millions of users, while Minecraft's iconic block-building gameplay has fostered a massive community of players. Read the full news or articles at www.nftstudio24.com.